Hello everyone, this short video is about one of the most exciting features of WordBeat Translator during 2017. And this one is about secret projects option that restricts the access to a project to the assigned managers only. If we go to settings and access rights for managers, this is the user profile for managers. Under the projects section, the view projects and jobs assigned to any project manager allows managers to have access to any of his colleagues in the company. So normally, if you disable this option, other project managers in the company will not be able to see the projects that are assigned with one of their colleagues. Alternatively, you can just create another user profile such as a limited manager, and as you leave this option enabled, you can just create a limited project manager with this option disabled. But now, with our new feature, you can make certain projects secret. Let's take this example. This project now is a secret project. And this is why, if I go to this other profile now, an internal project manager, this person can search for the projects, still can see this project, but when he clicks on select, his access is denied. Now, the main project manager, in this case that is me, if I remove this secret feature now and make it not secret and save, going back to my internal project manager, now this person can see the project and select and have access to the complete details. Let me just go back now, make it secret again, but this time I would like to add an additional project manager, which is my internal project manager. Saving this now, the project still remains secret, but when I click additional managers, I can see my internal PM as assigned as an additional project manager. Let me just now go back to the other managers view, click projects, and this very project is now, this person has access to the complete details of the project. I hope you like this new feature. Have a nice day.